Good morning, I'm Mattia Pellegrini, responsible for the mechanical design and project manager of the company SAMAC. SAMAC is an Italian company specialized in automatic assembly and testing machine. Thanks to its robust solution and competitive price, SAMAC has become an important supplier of the main important industrial group in automotive sector and not only. This relationship with a lot of continuity is become a partnership. This has allowed an important growth for SAMAC in the last 5 years. In fact, SAMAC up to now have 100 employees and 20 engineers dedicated on the mechanical department. In order to sustain that growth, SAMAC needs a reliable supplier, and one of that is certainly MISUMI. Five years ago, we have come into contact with MISUMI reality, and we have started using their components more and more. Currently, for satisfy SAMAC production, we need to design and develop up to 120 drawings per day. Thanks to MISUMI, we have been able to reduce the number of configurable parts to design and use more standardized components. MISUMI allows us to reduce the mechanical design time, and an important factor is the reducing of the total amount of the component that we need to design each day. MISUMI also guarantees compliance with delivery deadlines and budget that are really important to satisfy the customer and have a high level of product and service.